Okay, so some fonts have ornaments or glyphs, as they're called, associated with them, and you can add those glyphs or those ornaments by going to the Type menu, and we're going to open up the Glyphs panel. And here you'll see a bunch of alternative characters that we can use that are associated with the specific font. So we're going to go to the Show dialog, and we're going to go to Ornaments. And this lists a whole bunch of ornaments that we can use that are essentially typefaces, but they're more considered graphics. So we're going to click in the text box down below in the lower left, and we're going to double click on the heart ornament. That is the one that we are going to place. So go ahead and double click, and now it appears in our text frame. We're going to change it to 122 points. So it's big. We're going to add a stroke to it. So we can go to our stroke panel, and we can add a 1. And we're going to go to the colors, and we're going to make the stroke stem green. And we're going to make the fill strawberry red. So now we have a fancy glyph or ornament that we have just placed in a text frame. There are other ways to use the glyphs or the ornaments. In this case, we're going to replace these fractions because right now they're typed out as 1/2. There's actually a function where you can create a font or a single character and have it be a half character. So we're going to go back to Show, and we're going to change the Show options to numbers. And here you can see there are some sort of pre-programmed fractions that we can go ahead and use. So we're going to replace the 1/2 with the half character. So we can go ahead and double click on that. And there you go. We're going to do the same thing again, and we're going to do a quarter. So that looks more like a fraction and less like 1/2 or 1/4. The other thing is when you use glyphs, the recently used glyphs come up to this area called recently used, and we can go ahead and use those without finding them, even if we change our show option here.